In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a license plate bracket on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located on the front bumper. Okay, we're at our front bumper. Our front bumper already has holes because there was a bracket there already. If these holes were not here, there'd be dimples. You can drill holes in those dimples, or you can just use the screw. Line up your holes. That's a 10mm screw. Start it in your hole. Snug that up. Just give those a snug. You can install your license plate, or if you don't have a license plate, you can just install your screws. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.